Feeling a pull towards something new? Maybe you've heard about people running businesses from their laptops and thought, could I ever do that? If the whole concept of starting an online business feels completely foreign, perhaps a bit intimidating, but also exciting, then you are exactly who this video is for. This is truly an absolute beginner online business guide, designed to take that big, abstract idea and break it down into understandable pieces. We're going to clarify what an online business is and walk through the very first considerations if you're asking yourself how to start online business for beginners. No complex jargon, just plain language to get you started. Let's begin by simply understanding the landscape. An online business is fundamentally just a way of doing business where your main interactions with customers happen through the internet. Instead of a physical storefront, you have a digital presence. Maybe a simple website, a social media profile, or a listing on an online marketplace. One of the big appeals for the absolute beginner online business hopeful is the potential for flexibility and reach. You're not limited by location, and you can often start small with less overhead than a traditional business. The very first step, before anything technical, is often a shift in thinking, embracing a willingness to learn and being patient with yourself. The initial steps to starting an online business for beginners are about exploration and basic clarity, not needing all the answers at once. So, what might a beginner even sell or do? Forget needing a revolutionary tech idea. Many easy online business ideas for beginners build on skills or hobbies you already have. Consider simple services. Could you offer basic proofreading, help someone organize digital files, or manage social media for a local small group? These are direct, value-based exchanges. Or perhaps simple digital products. Create a basic template, a checklist, or a short guide on a topic you know well. Even selling simple handmade items or reselling things you find at thrift stores online are valid starting points. The key here is to explore online business ideas for beginners that feel manageable, maybe low cost, and allow you to practice the basics of connecting with someone online and exchanging value. It's about finding something accessible to you right now. Once that initial spark of an idea is there, what are the next simple actions for the absolute beginner online business journey? We're still talking fundamental steps to starting an online business for beginners. This might be as simple as choosing a tentative name. You can change it later. Setting up a dedicated free email address, or creating a basic online profile where you can state what you're offering. You don't need fancy equipment or advanced tools for online business for beginners. Your existing computer or even just a smartphone can be enough to start researching, planning, and making those initial connections. Free tools for basic communication, simple document creation, or initial research are readily available and sufficient when you're just beginning. It's also genuinely important for the absolute beginner online business explorer to have realistic expectations. Yes, it takes effort. You will encounter challenges of online business for beginners, from figuring out which button to click to understanding how to describe what you do so people want it. These aren't reasons to stop. They are simply part of the learning curve. Every successful online business owner started where you are now, learning step by step. This guide is meant to give you that clear, uncomplicated first look, demonstrating that starting an online business is achievable when approached methodically. It's about laying a gentle foundation for potentially building a profitable online business for beginners through consistent learning and action. This has been your straightforward introduction to the world of starting an online business. We focused on the absolute essentials to make it approachable for anyone feeling like a complete newcomer. Remember, the biggest step is deciding to learn and to start exploring. If this has made the idea feel a little less daunting and you're ready to explore the very next, slightly more detailed steps, stay tuned for future videos in this beginner series.